Hello, my name is Daniel Bullen. I'm a private tutor specialising in ICT and computer science. I'm a qualified ICT and computer science teacher, and I'm going to go through with you the contents of the Introduction to Computer Systems course. A little bit about my Introduction to Computer Systems course. So a little bit about me. So I'm Daniel Bullen. I've been a private tutor. I'm also trying to be a budding writer, blogger, and I'm also a qualified ICT and computer science teacher. So these are my subject specialisms and my planned subjects I plan to upskill on. So these are my qualifications. So teacher induction training, PGC, degree in ICT, and some safeguarding stuff. What can you get out of this? Flexible timing, so you can do it at the time that suits you once you've purchased it. You'll get my knowledge and passion for my subject. You'll be able to grasp the difficult material very quickly, and you'll ultimately be able to meet your full potential with superb grades. So by the end of this course, you will know how the different parts of the central processing unit works, different forms of computer architecture, lots of binary. So if you're sitting the major exam boards like AQA, WJC, OCR, Cambridge International, there's questions on binary that they have to ask because they come up every year. So if you can get those questions right very quickly, you're going to be laughing your way into the exam, basically. And by the end of this course, you'll also know how physics and electronics interlink with computer systems. So the way I've designed this course is where from the outset you'll see links with computer science, with electronics, and with physics, with lectures on topics such as, but not limited to, the CPU, physics of overclocking the CPU, transistors, semiconductors, etc. And these are just a few areas out of many more areas I cover in this course. I've designed this course for STEM students who want to have an understanding in the different aspects of computer systems. So for example, it could be how the CPU links with electronics and physics without going the full route to certification, because different courses will have different contents and therefore different requirements. So, what now? Well, buy my course, as I know you'll enjoy it, and good luck!